Hello, future LPTs. If you are like me, an IT graduate, or even computer science or IT, computer engineering, and then you are a unit earner, so this video is for you. So, ako is nag-take ako last time, September 21, 2025, and that time is merong revamp. So, isa akong IT graduate, and then right now, naka-aligned na yung major natin. So, kung ano yung baccalaureate degree. So, as you can see sa NOA ko, sa nakaano na siya, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in TLE ICT na siya. Since meron na tayong BS Ed major in TLE ICT, then meron din tayong reviewer para dyan. So for only 100 pesos, you can now have access to this 5 Google G forms, and then pwede na kayong makapag-practice dito. So sa exam namin, 50 items doon is TLE talaga siya. So merong masonry, piggery, mga farm, livestock, so ganun. So sinali ko na dito, and then the rest na 100 items or computer ano na siya, subjects or computer na mga tanungan. So meron akong nilagay dyan. So meron tayong up until part. So if gusto nyo ng reviewer, and March 2020